Students were surveyed about their favorite season. Their results are shown in the bar graph. What percentage of the 10 students surveyed chose spring? So spring is here. It was chosen by just one student. So 1 out of the 10 students chose spring, and in terms of a percentage, that's 10%. So number 3, the answer is B. Matthew Manuel's autograph was once worth $100. The autograph then dropped 30% in value. If it then increased 40%, its value would be $100 initially, and then it drops 30%, so it's now $70. And now it's going back up 40%, so 1.4 times 70 is now its new value. And 1.4 times 70 is equal to 98. So that is the value that we are currently at. And therefore, number 8, the answer is A. The circle graph shows the favorite ice cream flavors of those surveyed. What fraction of people surveyed selected either chocolate or strawberry as their favorite flavor of ice cream? So chocolate, 50%. Add to that strawberry, which is 10%. And that is a total of 60%. And they want it in terms of a fraction. So 60% is 60 over 100, which is 6 over 10, which is 3 over 5. So number 7, the answer is A. ABCD is a rectangle where M is the midpoint of BC and N is the midpoint of CD. If CM is 4, NC is 5, what percent of the area of the rectangle is shaded? So M is the midpoint of BC, so that means this is the same as that, like that. And N is the midpoint of CD, so DN is the same as NC, like that. CM, they tell you, is 4, and NC, they tell you, is 5. Okay? And therefore, BM must be 4, and DN is also 5. Okay? So what percentage of the area of the rectangle is shaded? So first, let's just figure out the area of the rectangle. That's pretty straightforward. It'd be length times width, which is 10 times 8. And then the area that is shaded, I'll put in the numerator here, and that looks like it will be the area of the entire rectangle, 10 times 8, and subtract from that the area of this triangle here, this NCM, I guess. So that's 1/2 base times height, like that. So this looks like 80 minus 20 divided by 210, and then all over 80. So that's 70 over 80. And as a percentage, that is, I think, well, as a decimal, it's 0.875, and therefore as a percentage, it would be 87.5. So number 9, the answer is D. Yesterday, each student at Cayley Secondary School was given a snack. Each student received either a muffin, yogurt, fruit, or a granola bar. No student received more than one of these snacks. The percentages of the students who received each snack are shown in the circle graph. What percentage of students did not receive a muffin? So we have to add this, this, and this. 25 plus 27 plus 10. And when you do, that's 62. Those are the people who did not receive a muffin. Number 3, the answer is D. Meg started with the number 100. She increased this number by 20% and then increased the resulting number by 50%. Her final result was. Take 100. First, let's do the increase of 20%. So you're going to have to multiply by 1.2. And when you do, you get 120. And then this number is increased by 50. So you're going to multiply by 1.5. And when you do, you get 180. And there you go. Number 7 is E. In the diagram, the center of the circle is O. The area of the shaded region is 20% of the area of the circle. The value of x is. X over 360 degrees is going to be the equivalent area if you compare it. And they've already told you that is equivalent to 20%, which is 0.2. And there you go. That's what you have to solve. So x is going to be 0.2 multiplied by 360. And that is equal to 72. So number 6, the answer is D. There are 160 students in grade 8 at Murray Public School. If exactly 10% of these students are on the school's chess team, how many grade 8 students are on the team? So 10%, which is 0.1, times 160 is the calculation, and that is just 16. So number 4, the answer is B. Karen has just been chosen the new math idol. A total of 1,480,000 votes were cast, and Karen received 83% of them. How many people voted for her? So 0.83 times 1,480,000. That is the equation. And if you take out your calculator, which are allowed on the Canadian math contests, you'll be able to figure this out pretty quickly. And the answer is 1,228,400. 1,228,400, and that is answer choice B. At the beginning of the summer, Aiden was 160 centimeters tall. At the end of the summer, he measured his height again and discovered that it had increased by 5%. Measured in centimeters, what was his height at the end of the summer? Well, 1.05 times his height, which is 160. That's pretty much all there is to this question. That would be 168. So number 8, the answer is A.